Hi, kindergarten. Today you guys are going to read, watch a read aloud of a story that is about the ending of a kindergarten class because we're coming up on the end of our kindergarten experience together, okay? And so basically what we're going to do today is you guys are going to listen to the story and you're going to think about the main idea and the details that go along with the story, all right? And so you guys probably remember that main idea in a book or even a movie or a show or anything, the main idea is what the author really wants to get across to you, okay? The main idea is what the book is mainly about. And the way that we figure that out is we look at all the little details, little parts of the book, and we see what those things are pointing towards, okay? And so in today's lesson, we actually already have the main idea, all right, of the book, Look at Us. And so hopefully you guys just watched that story. If not, it would be a good idea to watch that YouTube story first so that you can think about it while we do this lesson together. And the story is called Look at Us. And in the story, the thing that the author is mainly talking about is what that kindergarten class learned and did throughout the year, okay? What that kindergarten class learned and did throughout the year. And basically, we are going to be going back and thinking about that story and what were some of the little things that happened, the little details of what that kindergarten class learned and did, and we're going to try and put those together, okay? And so I'm just going to show you our Journeys page, which I'm trying to find a way. Here we go. All right, here we go. So, we're going over main idea and the supporting details. And like I said, this lesson gives us the main idea, all right? And we kind of work backwards from there. The main idea of the story, Look at Us, is what the kindergarten class learned and did. And so we want to stop and we want to think about some of the details that happened in the book that were about what the kindergarten class learned and did. And when I was watching the story, a detail that really stuck with me was one that we did in our class, okay? And it was learning about nature, like rocks and bugs and the outdoors and all of that good stuff. And so what I'm going to do is that's one detail. I'm just going to pick a bubble. It doesn't matter which bubble. And I'm going to draw or write that down, okay? And because I am not very good at drawing, I'm going to write down my answer. But if you want to draw, you can just draw your answer, okay? So you're thinking about something, a detail from the book about what the kindergarten class learned and did. You could pick any detail from any page that was about what the kindergarten class learned or did. This is just what I picked, which is they learned about nature. Rocks, bugs, etc. They learned about nature, and I just got that from one of the pages on the book, okay? And you guys are going to do the same thing. Like I said, you can write it or you can draw your examples. You're going to fill them all up. Different examples of things that the kindergarten class learned and did from the story, Look at Us. All right, thanks guys.